Welcome to beautiful Kings Park. Birds add life, colour and sound to a garden and are a joy to watch. Birds also eat many insects, controlling native and introduced pests naturally. There are heaps of reasons to get more birds into your garden, so here are 5 steps to get you on your way to creating a beautiful bird-attracting garden with Western Australian native plants. Step 1. Add a water source to your garden, such as a bird bath. This gives the birds something to drink and to bathe in. Step 2. Choose native plants that provide nectar and seeds. These plants also benefit from the birds, as many of these species, including the kangaroo paw, are bird-pollinated. Step 3. Plant native shrubs that provide nesting sites and shelter from predators. Banksias, melaleucas and grevilleas are great choices for this. Step 4. Get advice on what will work best for your garden by heading along to one of our Dig It With coffee sessions and get personalised advice that works for you. And step 5. Go shopping for plants. Come along to one of our Friends of Kings Park's quarterly plant sales or purchase a selection of plants from an accredited nursery. And then all you need to do is sit back, relax and enjoy your new feathered friends.